nighttime spectacle you won't want to miss. Get ready as Blue's nighttime spectacle show lights up the night with a powerful blend of colors, lights, and music. Experience a fully immersive presentation where the castle comes alive through vivid visuals
Pare.
and original music from Jade Castle
Last year na
Records.
natin to, no?
An experience like no other.
Kulat lang ng tubig kanina. Hindi naman tayo nakapagtubig.
Spectacle you won't want to miss. Get ready as Dreamers nighttime spectacle
Biruin mo yan.
lights up the night with a
Nag-ano,
blend of colors,
biruin mo yan,
lights,
par.
and music.
Di ba nag-ano tayo? Yun dun sa pa.
Where the castle comes alive.
Hindi naman tayo pumunta sa tubig, kaya wala naman parang kwenta, di ba? Lala.
An experience like no other. Join us at
Okay, sa first one na ba naman tayo magano?
Nung first one, pwede. Akala ko lalakad na tayo sa tubig eh. Wala eh.
Akala ko mag-swimming tayo eh.
Yun nga eh.